Good evening, friends. Today we will be discussing an interesting topic, that is entropy, which comes under the category of the decision trees. Not under the category, but a important core concept in the decision tree. So, what we mean by entropy? Let me first tell you its formula. The formula for entropy. So, the formula for entropy will be negative P plus log P plus minus P minus log P minus. Okay. So what is here? It is P plus. P plus is the proportion of positive data. Proportion of positive data. And P minus is nothing but proportion of negative data. So let's see what we mean by a positive proportion and negative proportion. Suppose I am having 10 data set point, out of which 6 was positive, or let us take 7 was positive and 3 was negative. So for proportion of positive, it will be total number of positive point upon total number of points we are having, that will be 0.7. And for the negative, will be number of negative points divided total number of negative points, that will be 0.3. Okay, so you must have understood what is this. And log is simply the log. Okay, so if you will be calculating, let us suppose that we are getting some entropy value as 0.8. Now what does this entropy value indicates? This entropy value indicates that impurity level in the node of that decision tree. What we mean by impurity level? Impurity level means, suppose we are having something. Okay, now if only one type of substance is present in this bucket or any storage item, then it is said to be pure. But if two or three types of two mixture of something is present, then it is called a impure. Like here we see, that is 7 and 3. So the impurity present here is of 0.8 on calculating. Let us suppose that. And if we see for entropy the least value can be 0 and the maximum value can be 1. When it will be the least value? When all the data sets are of same type. And when we have the maximum entropy, that is when we have half data set for one point and half points of another class. Okay, if I plot a graph for entropy and my proportions, that is P plus P minus. Okay, and here is my entropy. So you'll observe that we will be having the maximum entropy at 0.5 proportions, that will be 1. Okay, so you must be clear with it, and our entropy goes like this. Okay, so this is all about entropy. Thank you.